Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And as you can see from my flyer, you see I am at CVS and I have an incredible deal for you. Guys, now the deal that I'm going to do is going to be using coupons that were mailed to me. Now, not only were they mailed to me, but they were also put into my CVS account. So you guys may have these coupons too. But I wanted to do this video because people have been asking me, how do you use the coupons that are mailed to you? How do you use CRTs? And every week I just want to give you guys some different examples of how you can use these coupons. So before, and actually when they're put into your app, they're called CRTs, which is cash register tape, and you can use them in conjunction with your manufacturer coupons. And I'm going to give you an example of that perfect scenario today. So go ahead and get your phones ready so that you can do some screenshots. Get some paper and a pencil so you can take notes, and get your CVS app out so that we can see if you have these CRTs. You may even have better CRTs than what I have, because sometimes people get different CRTs than others. They might be higher, they may be lower. So you just have to play around with the deal and adjust it according to what you have in your account. So guys, let's get ready to see. Okay, so this is the mailer that I got, and what really encouraged me to open the mailer was $6 off a $30 purchase. I love that. But then I also got a $5 off 25 purchase of any Boost nutritional products. I got a $2 off the purchase of any Tylenol or Bear products, $10 worth, $2 off any Poise liner or pads. I got a $4 off the $20 purchase of protein powders, shakes, bars, and that can be any kind. Doesn't have to be CVS brand. And then I have $4 off the purchase of any Poise, $12 or more. So like you can combine this coupon, the $4 off, $12 or more Poise, with the $2 Poise coupon we just got in our inserts. 30% off the purchase of a facial care moisture cleansing hand and body lotions product. This is a great one to use too, but remember, you won't be able to use it if the product is on sale. Then you have $5 off, but that's only because it's a percentage off coupon. Percentage off coupons you cannot use on sale products. 5% off the purchase of $15 or more Kotex You by Kotex. And hold on, I'm getting to the one that we're going to use. The whole reason I came here, because this is going to be a fantastic deal. Okay, $5 off the purchase of 2 Lysol products. Then you have $3 off the purchase of any Poise, One by Poise product. And that's up so you can really see it. $4 off the purchase of $20 in vitamins. $2 off the purchase of any Live Better baby diapers. $4 off the purchase of any $16 worth of Kotex liners, tampons, and pads. So that's actually 2 Kotex things. And then $3 off the purchase of $15 or more of Total Home products. So that's a good one too, the Total Home products, because that could be for trash bags, anything that's Total Home. But the one we're going to focus on is this one here, the $5 off the purchase of 2 Lysol disinfectant products. Okay, so this week all of the Lysol products are buy one get one 40% off. I'm gonna show you. There's tons to choose from. Well, not all, but I'm gonna say select, because I don't see these wipes tagged. But they're buy one, get one 40% off. So I'm just showing you. It looks like it's everything but those wipes, because I don't see those tagged. But what we're going to focus on are these here, which are the toilet bowl cleaners. They are $3.99. You buy one and you get 40% off of the other. And we have this coupon, which is $5 off the purchase of two. But guess what? We also have a manufacturer coupon that we can use also. And I'm going to bring that up so that you can see that, because remember, at CVS or just about any store really, you can combine a manufacturer coupon with a store coupon. You just can't use a two manufacturer coupons together, but you can use a manufacturer coupon and a store coupon together. So here I have, I don't know what's going on with my internet, but I have $1 off 2 Lysol products. So that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to use the $1 off, and I'm going to use the $5 off the purchase of 2. And guys, you know what that means. So we're going to grab these 2. We're going to head up to the register. We're going to pay. I'm going to come back, show you my receipt, and then we'll go over the receipt so that you can see exactly what I did and how it all came out to be, and how this is, so you'll know that this is a terrific deal. Okay, I'm back, guys. Look, I made it out just in time. It is pouring down raining. Oh my God. Alrighty, so let's go over our receipt here. There are the 2 Lysols. The one was $3.99, and then the second one was 40% off. Now let's see what coupons came off. So there is the $1 digital coupon that came off. That I used, the Lysol, $1 off for 2. That was in the CVS app. And then there's the $5 off 2 coupon that was mailed to me that I used. And look at our out-of-pocket, 38 cents. That means each one of these toilet bowl disinfectants were 19 cents. Guys, that's a fabulous deal. So if you have those coupons and those CRTs, run out to do that deal. You have until Saturday. The Lysol sale, buy one, get one, 40% off, ends Saturday at midnight. So you have until Saturday to do this deal. And I'd say this is a run and do deal. It's not something that you want to think about. So thank you guys very much for tuning in. Let me know down below if you're going to do this deal. Or maybe you want to get some other Lysol products. Totally up to you. But you guys know me. I always go the cheapest and freebie route. So I grabbed the cheapest Lysol product which was the toilet bowl cleaner. But you can get the wipes, you can get the spray, you can get anything. All of them are buy one, get one 40% off. And then the $5 off, and then the $1 digital coupon. So $1 manufacturer digital coupon. So do it the way you want to do it, whatever suits you best. But until the next time, keep on saving.